Ever found yourself wishing your online booking experience was, well, more you, less generic, more intuitive, a true reflection of your brand? If you're using Setmore, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into how to completely customize your Setmore booking flow. We're not just talking about changing a few colors. We're talking about optimizing every step of the customer journey, from initial interest to confirmed appointment. Think about it. Your booking page is often the first real interaction a potential client has with your business online. It's not just a digital calendar. It's a virtual storefront, a silent salesperson, and a critical touchpoint for building trust and professionalism. A clunky, confusing, or unbranded booking experience can lead to abandoned appointments and lost revenue. On the other hand, a smooth, branded, and intuitive flow can significantly boost your conversion rates and leave a lasting positive impression. Many businesses treat their booking software as a necessary evil, a standard form to be filled out. But Setmore offers a powerful suite of customization options that are often overlooked. By leveraging these features, you can transform a generic booking page into a seamless extension of your website, your branding, and your customer service philosophy. We'll explore everything from tailoring your service menus and staff profiles to setting up smart notifications and integrating with your existing tools. The goal here is not just to make it functional, but to make it exceptional. So, grab a coffee, open up your Setmore account, and let's start optimizing. We're going to break this down into actionable steps, guiding you through each feature with practical examples. By the end of this, you'll have a Setmore booking flow that's not just efficient, but also a joy for your customers to use. First things first, your services, the foundation of your flow. Head over to your Setmore dashboard and navigate to Services. This is where the magic begins. Don't just list your services, optimize them. For each service, think about clear, enticing titles. Instead of massage, try deep tissue relaxation massage or stress buster express massage. Detailed descriptions. Use the space to highlight benefits, what customers can expect, and any prerequisites. This helps manage expectations and reduces questions later on. Accurate durations and pricing. Transparency is key. Clearly state how long each service takes and its cost. If you have variations, e.g., 30-minute versus 60-minute, set them up as separate service options. Buffer time. This is crucial. Always add buffer time between appointments. This allows for cleanup, preparation for the next client, and prevents you from running late. Setmore allows you to define this directly within the service settings. Service categories. Group similar services together. This makes your booking page much easier to navigate, especially if you offer a wide range of options. For instance, haircuts, coloring, and styling could be categories for a salon. Next up, let's talk about your staff, personalizing the experience. Your team is your greatest asset, and Setmore lets you showcase them. Go to Staff in your dashboard. Professional photos. A friendly, professional headshot builds trust and rapport. Personalized bios. Let your staff introduce themselves, highlight their specialties, and share a little about their passion. This adds a human touch and helps clients choose the right person for their needs. Assign services. Ensure each staff member is only assigned to the services they provide. This prevents clients from booking a service with someone who isn't qualified to offer it. Individual working hours. This is critical for accurate scheduling. Set each staff member's availability, including breaks and days off. Setmore's flexibility here is a game changer for managing diverse schedules. Now for the visual appeal, branding your booking page. Your Setmore booking page doesn't have to look generic. Navigate to Apps and Integrations, and then Booking Page. Custom URL. This is a small but powerful detail. Instead of a random string of characters, aim for something memorable and branded, like yourbusiness.setmore.com. Brand colors and logo. Upload your logo and choose colors that align with your brand identity. This creates a cohesive look and feel that instills professionalism. Welcome message. Use this space to greet your visitors and provide any important information before they even start booking. Think about your unique selling proposition or any special offers. Testimonials or social media links. Build social proof by displaying customer testimonials directly on your booking page, or link to your social media profiles to encourage engagement. Custom fields. This is where you can collect specific information from your clients during the booking process. Need to know a client's preferred styling products for a haircut, or their pet's breed for a grooming appointment? Add a custom field. This minimizes back and forth communication later. Let's move on to confirmation and communication, keeping clients informed. A smooth booking flow doesn't end with the click of a button. Effective communication before and after the appointment is vital. Head to Settings and then Notifications. Automated email and SMS reminders. Set up reminders to go out a day before, an hour before, or whatever suits your business. This drastically reduces no-shows. Customizable messages. Don't just use the default text. Personalize your confirmation emails and SMS messages. Include your business name, the service booked, the time, and any special instructions, e.g., please bring your yoga mat. Parking available behind the building. Follow-up messages. Consider sending a thank you email after the service, perhaps asking for a review or offering a discount on their next booking. This nurtures customer loyalty. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.